ASML Holding NV continues to excel in the semiconductor industry, reporting strong financial results despite market shifts. As of April 2024, the company achieved net sales of 27.6 billion euros and a net income of 7.8 billion euros, maintaining a gross margin around 51%. For the first quarter of 2024, ASML anticipates net sales between 5 euros and 5.5 billion euros, with a gross margin of 48–49%. The company has also proposed a dividend of 6 euros 10 cents per share, up 5.2% from last year, reflecting its solid cash flow management. ASML remains a key player on NASDAQ, offering valuable investment opportunities in a dynamic tech landscape.